So we have got the lovely 3D printed glider, got the 8-inch prop on there, which seems to work really well. We've got a 950, 980 kV motor in it, and we've put a 5-cell in it just to just for kicks and giggles, because we like to see how far we can push things without breaking it. So if it goes alright, we'll stick the Camerata on top and we'll take it for a spin and see how we go with a we'll see how we go with the camera on.
Air mode activated. Time to fuck this shit.
76 dB.
It was a bit shaky, that flight, wasn't it?
60 dB.
Here she comes, power off.
dB. 72 dB.
So you're on board 5S. Take off from this direction, the wind is coming from that way.
Smoke on 82 dB.
So how'd we go with our second run on the 5 banger battery? So that was basic, yeah, thanks for that. That was basically flat stick to take off. Eased it back a bit on the first turn, did a couple of no power, but most of it was flat out. And when I shook my wings, that's when I came off the juice, and then as I go out, because this thing's got such a long glide slope, as I went out, turned the power off, motor still spools, come in for a land, and I wanted to land over there just near that bit of grass, and I nailed it. Like, I didn't want to land near this bit of grass or near me, that's just getting too boring. So what have we got? The 1.5 banger, how much did we have? We ran for 4.5 minutes. And we've still got 3 7.5s, so got to be happy with that. And these batteries have absolutely had the bejesus flogged out of them in the quad world, and they're still okay, but you know, they're not new. Anyway, we've still got a few batteries left, so